Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Momo. If you ain't know, you know. We're going shopping. Yeah. So decided that we're gonna go shopping. Yeah, we're going the entire family. That's my sister. And this is us on the way. Yeah. This is just some painting that I saw. It was so beautiful. I decided to film it. Even though y'all can't really see the beauty of it, but still. After what I think it was about an hour, we finally got here. And I don't remember what this place is called, but it was like basically it's a bunch of stores in walking distance. Yeah, from one store to the other to the next. Like, yes, shopping on top of shopping. People that make money and be people out there, be people. This is in one of the stores, and I didn't really get anything because I prefer shopping online, to be honest. Because if you're in Canada, you know there's not much of anything in these stores. Okay, on to the next store. I was looking at a blue shirt and it said $29.99. And I said to my father, I said, what? That for a shirt? And he said, no man, see price up there. So it was actually $9.99. I was like, what? Almost $30 for a shirt. It's crazy. But this was in Aerial Pastel, if that's how it's pronounced, I don't know. But my dad was getting a few things. I need one of this, but $900. Okay. I get it on Amazon for about $30 something. We were in a beauty supply store here. I think I got a gel and something else. I don't remember. This is us walking back to the car. Yeah, obviously I need to just learn how to film. As you can see, I was filming nothing but a freaking car right there. Every time I go out, I forget to bring my tripod so I can actually hold the phone up and film. I keep forgetting. I don't know why, but yeah. Guys, this is probably one of the most boringest vlog ever because I didn't film everything. So I didn't even remember that I was vlogging in the first place. And I didn't get much because I rather shopping online than in store, because I'd be a foolishness in the store them over here. Bad to bad. Like I was looking for a slippers and couldn't find them. So I have to go on Shein or one of them places and get some. But anyways, I'll see you guys. Right now we're at Tim's because everybody gonna use the bathroom. I didn't feel much, but I get a little snippets. The man that walk like him didn't want to come take the car with me in there. Yeah, so we went to lunch at Swishley. Now this is about a couple days later. I was cooking lunch again. Yeah, I haven't long gonna eat baked bean. Yes, but it have to make some eat. Full my belly. Yeah. Outside is outsiding. Summer is here. So I don't. Where was I going? Oh yeah, I went to the bank to change my card again, bruh. And this is me on my first night shift, the day after when my dad came to pick me up. And I was telling y'all that this dog is really spoiled because my dad left the car and he started crying, bruh. Bro. Okay. Guys, do you know how long I've been craving a patty? I'm gonna finally get one. Yum, yum, yum in my tummy. I also got me some food from Jerson Barbecue Haven. If you're in Mississauga, check them out. Hello. Sunrise could never. Yeah, if you're in Canada, you know what I'm talking about. White rice with curry goat gravy. From a look pan that, I should have known said that is not curry goat, because I was wondering why it's so watery. It's curry chicken gravy, not curry goat. But anyways, food was busting. The chef put our foot down in a this. Nuh-uh. This is not curry goat gravy. It's curry chicken gravy. They sent me the wrong gravy. Yay. But guys, regardless of the gravy, the food was so yum. As you can see, I enjoyed it. That's me having some French vanilla. Yep. The only thing I get from Tim's, it's either the hot chocolate or French vanilla. I don't be getting coffee. That, no. This vlog is all over the place, but anyways, I love you guys so much. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Yeah, this is Marley telling me that he want to go. It's okay, bye.